That intro.
Hi YouTube, it's me Alex Joseph TechnicGear. So guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to make a hot air balloon. So guys, not a hot air balloon, it's a paper hot air balloon. So guys, making hot air balloon is so hard, maybe a result will not be work. But if you make paper hot air balloon, 100% guaranteed result will be experiment. So guys, let's go to the making video. So guys, you need to take a full sheeted newspaper. Any type of newspaper you can take. Second, you need to take a stapler. Third, you need to take a lighter. So guys, take the full sheeted newspaper and crush the paper fully like this. You need to press harder. So guys, then take the crushed paper and straight all unfolded paper like this. You need to straightly unfolded paper like this. So guys, take the one side of the newspaper and take the other side of the newspaper like this. Opposite side you need to take. So guys, then take the other side of the end and take the other side of the end like this. This also you need to take the opposite side of the newspaper, end of the newspaper. Then take the you need to unfold all the part like this, like a balloon. You need to form like this. So guys, then take the stapler and stapler at the fixed portion like this. So guys, texting time. So guys, let's see how will it perform. You need to bend the four sides. So we are waiting, man. Let's see how will it perform. It is fly around. Let's see. Oh man, it's fly, man. Hey, that's going, man. Oh god, it's gonna be 2 meter fly. So guys, at the 2 meter it's spread over, man. If you like this video, click the like button. If you did not like this video, click the unlike button. If you need my latest like YouTube, click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon button for more YouTube videos.